Now this is a more interesting package. I think the logo might give it away. And the wrapping off would be great. Okay, here we go. Right, what did I get? So I've got a New Zealand power cord, so at least they supply the right power cord. Doesn't surprise me, I think I know what they're doing by now. We have a calibration set. Just two. Don't want to show you too much about that in case I've got some serial number or something like that, but yeah, calibration set. I was looking for, in case there's any activation codes and like I need to keep hidden. So, alright, so that's that. We have a kitting list apparently. In this package. China append for oscilloscope, end user license, South Korean class EMC declaration, finding product manual sheet, passive probe and power cord, and Keysight safety leaflet. Okay, just obviously just packing list for them. What's supply? Manuals. How to find manuals online, it's okay, I already know how to do that, it's fine. Found enough service manuals in the past. That's all just paperwork, that's fine. And it's okay. Obviously, you know, you're supposed to read all this stuff when you get it, but and for your safety. Yeah, this is about how to use it, pretty much I expect. So I think that will be fine. I'll have a flick through it later on. You don't have to read all that right now. You know, don't hook up to mains unless you, you know, are isolated and that's crap I'm expecting. But you have to do these days, idiot proof everything. Okay. Passive probes. So 2140A and 2142A. Quick start guide manual. I'm not quite sure which version I've got here. I'll move this out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. Okay. So these are the 40A probes. Nice, very nice. So two of those. Ignore the rustling, this is my cat trying to make herself comfortable on the bubble wrap. So 2140A, which is a 200 MHz passive probe, 10:1 ratio, switchable. Also got tip options. A little cover there, protector. Cool. Pair of those. Excellent. Hook clips, earth straps, adjustment tool for the compensation, short earth connection, spring probes. So all the stuff you would expect to have. Obviously it's an oscilloscope, this is, you know, kind of gives away a bit. And here we go. The actual unit. Now, those that have been watching my channel for a couple of months now probably, would be aware, hopefully be aware, that I was one of the finalists for the Keysight Scope Month thing. They call it Wave competition this year. For the Test to Impress contest they did. And I was one of the finalists. I think it's like 5 finalists or something like that. Obviously I didn't win the overall, but I got one of the finalist positions. And as a result, I won this lovely piece of equipment. So thank you very much, Keysight. Excellent stuff. Very happy. So it's taken a while to get paperwork sorted out and so on and get it actually here, but here it is. So I won a DSO X1102G 100 MHz version. So this is my first Keysight scope, so I've got a bit of a learning curve, graphical user interface and stuff like that. So you know, I probably won't film me learning how to use it because that's going to bore the hell out of everyone. And lots of people, you know, also telling me how stupid I am for not understanding how to do it in the first place. So cool. Regulatory stuff for the probes. I'll put that back in this thing. So yeah, thank you very much, Keysight. Much appreciated. I really, I'm getting my face into it. Hey, I'm really thankful for the fact that Keysight watched my video and appreciated what I'm trying to do on my channel. Whereas, you know, I'm trying to educate people a little bit and you know, show how to fix bits of gear. So I try and do as much of that as I can, but as you know, the budget's limited. It's my mouth. Maybe I should bring the camera a little bit. What do you reckon? That's marginally better. So yes, I appreciate Keysight, you know, considering my video and thinking that I'm worthy of winning one of these scopes. That is excellent. You know, they liked what I'm doing with the channel and the fact I'm trying to show how to fix things and that sort of stuff. So they really liked that, and obviously they liked it because otherwise they wouldn't have chosen me. So that's quite good. There's lots of other channels as well which are worthy, so if you haven't seen that video, it's actually on the Keysight's YouTube channel for their finalists. It shows them on there. I can't remember the date now. It's about a month and a half, 2 months ago now from today, so I can't remember what date it was. Yeah, it's about a month ago, 6 weeks ago, something like that. And the date's currently the 15th of May 2018. So you go back to Keysight's YouTube channel and you'll see it there somewhere, hopefully. And there's a list of people there which they chose, what was it, 10 finalists? I can't remember, it might be 10, sorry, it might be 10, not 5. So they're given an item of this value, and as a contribution towards my channel and the work I'm doing, trying to help others out at the same time. That's great. So it's very pleasing to think that I was deemed to be worthy of winning these scopes. There's so many other good channels and other people out there doing great work, but they're also, you know, worthy of such equipment. And looking forward to next year and having another go. See if we get the big bundle. I'm never going to get that, no way. But it's great fun. So it's great now to have a Keysight scope here to compare with the Siglent, which I've been using for a period of time now. And sometimes you just need more than 2 channels, and this will at least give me that option, or multiple wave gens. And I've got one on Siglent. This has got one as well. I believe this is fully optioned. I'll have to check. I will check that later on after the video. And I really should power it up, shouldn't I? Haven't got any cables here to do it. That's a shame. Thank you very much, Keysight, for this beautiful little unit here. It's really appreciated that you've looked at my channel and looked at my video. I thought that what I was doing was worthwhile and beneficial to others in order to award me with this particular unit. So thank you very much, Keysight. It's really appreciated. No doubt you'll see this in action on my channel in the future. I'm going to have to get used to this one and learn how to use it, because it's going to be a little bit different. It's my first Keysight scope. I've never used a Keysight scope before, so it's going to be a bit of a learning curve and getting my head around how it works and the little features and intricacies that it has. So it's going to be great, and I hope you enjoy watching me use it, or trying to figure out how to use it, whichever it will be. So thank you very much, Keysight. Make sure you go and check them out. If you don't have Keysight gear, go and buy some. Something, you know, they gave me stuff for free. What can I say? Thank you much. Bye.